Well, this looks really bad. Might make the naughty list again this year.
We've got to clean this up. The Avengers are gonna be super mad.
The Avengers have arrived.
Hey team, look, we decorated.
We might have ruined the campus Christmas party.
This is usually how our holiday parties end up. Avengers, how about we assemble over here for the Christmas card photo? Everyone say Happy Holidays.
Happy Holidays.
Okay, who wants eggnog?